Hello. Hi. I came to you, all of your school today. Is there anyone who's attended our session today morning? You attended our session? You saw us, right? I was confused. I come to your school. All right. So I'll introduce myself. I am Linda,
And I'm Rebecca.
and we both are writers at Tinkle. Have you guys seen this magazine? Who said yes? Can you name some of the characters that you like? Shikari Shambhu. Oh, yeah. You're here too. Yes. Shikari Shambhu and who else? No one? Huh?
Who?
Okay. So there's Tantri the Mantri, there is Shupandi, Shikari Shambhu. So you might have read Malayalam comics, right? What are some of those?
പുറകിലാണ്
Huh? Balanama, Kalikuduka and all. So, this is called a comic. This format, a book that's published in this format is called a comic. Now, when you look at it, what is different between a comic and a regular book? Like you take your textbooks or any novel that you read, what is different? Pictures, yeah. Pictures are there. What else is there? Picture stories, yeah. But there is something else too. What else do you find here? Yes, correct. It's conversations. You see dialogues between characters, right? So basically, what do you say? A comic is a story that's told through pictures with the help of dialogues and characters. Did you guys hear me? We were talking about what a comic is. So today we'll go through what a comic is, the basics of what a comic is, and then maybe make a story of our own. Are you guys excited to do that? Do you like to read? How many of you like to read? Raise your hand. And have you written stories? Yes, so we'll try our hand at making a story today, right?
So comics are what?
Our pictures?
Pictures that tell stories. So do all pictures tell stories? No? Let's see. What is this story? Is there a story in this? Undo.
Does this seem like it can be made into a story?
Yes.
Yeah, it can be. If any of you has an idea about how it can be made into a story,
Any idea? Any story can be made of this? Yeah. Yes, it's a sun.
you can imagine. You can imagine it to be whatever you want. Now look at this sequence of pictures. Is there a story here? What is the story?
Ha. Eli, Manu, balloon എടുത്തിട്ട് ഓടിപ്പോയി. Okay.
Right?
So what was the difference? Why in the previous one there was no story, but here you can find a story? Why? Situation. It's continuing, okay? So we in comics also, each panel is continuing. If there's an action in one panel, the next panel will continue from that. We'll go line by line and read it. Okay. E boxes and the
The group that's sitting there, are you guys listening? Yes.
So there are pictures that appear, but what are these boxes called? Columns.
See, a comic has pictures inside these boxes.
Columns.
We are asking you, what are these boxes called?
Photos, okay. Columns, photos.
Scene, yeah, okay.
Scene. Yes, it has a scene. Okay.
It has a picture inside, it has dialogues inside, it has conversations inside.
Okay, so these are called panels, okay. What are they called? Panels. And so every action, one action for one panel, okay. That's how comics are made. So what are these boxes called? Panels, okay.
So inside the panels, like you said, we have pictures inside the panels, we have dialogue box inside the panels, we have captions inside the panels. So why do we have captions? Captions are used to set the context for a story. So can you read what's written in that caption? Yeah. So on the day of a party, and who's standing in that panel? Shambhu. So you see Shambhu and he's thinking to himself. He's thinking something and he's somewhere. Without the caption, you do not know where he is. It's out of context. Now the caption is telling you that he's at a party and he's thinking to himself at a party. Other than the caption, you see that there are other bubbles also. There is a completely round circle, and there's like a cloud-like circle there. So the round circle is called a speech bubble. It contains Shupandi's conversation or dialogue.
What is this bubble then? It looks like a cloud, no? Thought bubble, okay? So when you think, it's not like you're talking out loud, no? It's something that's inside your head, okay? So this is a thought bubble. What is this? So pointy. Not speaking.
Action bubble.
Whisper.
It's
Whisper is not
expressive.
shout.
It's very.
Okay, so it is shout bubble, okay? So
If
when
you're
you shout
angry at
loud,
some-
no? Yeah.
If you're angry at someone and a character is yelling at someone, we give them this bubble to show that they're shouting and they're angry. Now, what could this be? This. Yes, he got it right. It's a thinking bubble. So in real life also we.
It's a thought bubble.
We whisper. It's a whisper bubble. In real life also we whisper to others, and when we don't want others to hear, so to indicate that we have a whisper bubble.
Yeah.
And do you notice something different about this particular circle? Yes.
Who's talking? You can't see who's talking, right? So that is called off panel, okay? And if you see, there's a starburst over here. Yes, somebody in the background is talking and we can't see that. So that's called an off panel dialogue. What is this?
So so what happens in real life? When you drop something, it makes a noise, right? For example, you're knocking here. See,
Okay,
there's a
go on.
vehicle that is going through and it makes a noise when it beeps, right? So in comics, how do you convey that there is a noise, the sound is being produced? You use these SFX. These are called SFX. And if you notice that they're written stylistically. For example, there's a whoosh. Whoosh is for what? What do you think a whoosh stands for?
What is whoosh sound? Is
What
that
is
the
that
sound
sound?
of hitting somebody? Is that whoosh?
It's a wind. And it's written like that. It's flowing like this. It's written stylistically like that. And a splash. When you drop something to the water, it splashes. So it creates waves. So it's written like a wave. And a pow. So that when you smash into something, that is what that SFX is for.
By the way, you know who's this girl? Yes.
Yes.
That is Wingstar, okay? She's a superhero from the Northeast.
She's Tinkle's female superhero.
Yeah. When she's not fighting criminals, you know what she's fighting? Her maths textbook. That's what she fights.
So have you ever wondered how a comic gets made? You see the book final product in front of you, but have you ever thought about how does it get made? What are the processes? What are the steps that happens in between? So you think it starts with drawing pictures? Someone draws it? Oh. Anyone else? Can we have someone from there? How do you think a comic is made? Yeah.
How do you start a comic? With what? An idea, yes.
Yes. Okay, you've got it right.
Yes, even
Yeah,
couple of them got it. Okay, so you start with a story, okay?
So the first thing that we do is, as writers, both of us, we'll sit down and we'll think of a story. So if you want to write a story for Supandi, we'll think, oh, okay, what is Supandi going to do now? It's a comedy. If you want to write about Shikari Shambhu, we'll be like, oh, we need to write an adventure story now. What are the elements that we need to bring in? We need to have villains in that story. Shikari has to make a stumble and make a mistake in that story. So we sit down and we think about the story and then we write the script for it. So what you see here is a script and you see that it's divided into a table. So on the left side of the script, you can see we have described how a scene should look like. So for example, we have one panel. So for example, this panel that I have here, there's a grandfather and seems to be yelling. So in the script, we'll write this panel. You show we'll write to the artist and tell them show that the grandfather is angry and is yelling. And on the right hand side of the table, we have written dialogues, so that the artist know this is a dialogue that has to be given to the character. And then the script goes into the hands of the artist. The artist starts to draw the panels.
Okay, so this stage is called pencils. What do you do when you do pencils? Rough drawing, no? Yeah, so they do pencils. This is all. There's so many lines and all, right? So if they have any mistakes, they can change it easily, okay? Yes. So after pencils comes, yes, smart one. Okay, inks, okay? It's more clean, no? Are there many lines? No, right? So these are inks. Madhya, this is enough for comics? What is missing? Ah, okay. So, then you have colors. Then, enough? No. Okay. Right. You want to tell?
And after colors, to reach its final form, we need to add what? Content, the dialogues. Right? Content that contains what? Dialogues, thought bubbles, it contains captions, right? And this is how when it starts looking like a comic. So now we have a fun activity to do. Like we said, shall we go ahead and write a story?
Yes, we will. So who is there in this first panel? Are you ordinary? Shikari Shambhu. No, who's that lady behind?
It could
Farmer,
be you
okay,
can imagine
good.
her to be a farmer.
Who else can it be? Any idea? Who? Shopkeeper. Okay. Then? Who? Gunda.
Laundry worker.
Okay. Cycle. Oh, she's a thug. Okay, so why is Shambhu running? He's afraid of the thug. Okay.
Huh?
Ah, Shambhu didn't give money. Very nice.
Maybe he mistakenly did something to her.
Mistakenly
Yes.
said something to the.
Did something to her.
Oh, okay.
Maybe just plucking or something from the.
Huh.
That is useful.
Acha. So that's why she's running behind him with a shovel. Okay.
And his answer was that she's a thug. So he's running because he's scared of her. Okay.
So what we have given you here is a panel from the middle of one story that we have written for Tinkle. It's from the middle of a story. It has no context right now. You see Shambhu with a woman. That's it. That's all you know. So to come up with a story of your own, what do you need? You need to set some context to this picture. For example, you know that's Shambhu. He's one character in your story. You know there's a lady. Now you need to give them some personalities. What is Shambhu's personality? He's a scared, bumbling, goofy character. And the lady, right now, she looks a bit terrorizing. So maybe she's an angry person. And then you need to think, how did they reach this situation? How did Shambhu chance upon this lady? Was he kidnapped by her, or did she break into his house and is he running away from her because of that? So you need to set a context. How did they reach here to this point? And to end the story, you need to think about what they'll do next. He's running away from her, obviously. So how will it end? So are you up to make a story of your own in groups?
Yeah?
Yeah? So the first 3 rows can be one group. The last 3 rows can be a group. You guys don't want to make stories? You want to play another activity?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. Now we'll test your observation skills then. For writing any story, you need to have observation skills. E observation skills endwa? Huh? Yes. Nirikshanam kariva. Okay? That. So, in this game, you'll get 15 seconds. Okay? How many seconds? 15 seconds. And you have to observe the cover that is put up on the screen. After that, we'll ask you some questions.
So this is the first cover. Observe it closely. You'll be given 15 seconds. It's fine. You're able to see the picture, no?
Okay. Who can say how many toons? How many
characters were there on the
How
cover?
many people were there?
Please
You're saying
raise your hand and
five?
tell, okay? Adil?
Five.
Yeah, he got it right.
Six.
Can you give him the...
Five, yes.
She also got it right.
6, okay. No, it was 5.
Next question is, what was the color of the fish on the cover? Huh? Green. Please raise your hand so that I can see who's saying it. Give her. Who else? It was green. I'm going to ask the next question. Please raise your hand before saying the answer so that I can know. Which number did you spot in the wave? 43 was the answer. Okay, so for now, the row that you're sitting in will be your group. I'll randomly call out any row and ask you to answer the question. Right? So the row that you're sitting in is your group. This whole row is a group. You need to move closer to them. You are a... Huh? One row. You're also a group. You can sit here. Move closer. You're a group. You and them. Yeah. And you guys are a group. Huh?
Illa, keep one row.
Do you want to move to the front? Yeah. Which show? Oh, you want to join them? Okay, come. Okay.
Okay, are we ready for the next cover? You get 15 seconds, okay? So observe. Okay.
Row number 4. Row number 4, which is row number 4 here? That row. The question is for you. No, the row in front of you. Row number 4 is the row in front of you, actually. The question is for you. What is the color of Tantri's outfit? Tantri is a man that was getting beaten on his head. Huh? No. Huh? You said? Blue. He got it right. You can give him. They also said. You can...
Okay. Okay. So next question. How many of those characters had something on their head? That row is not telling me.
Yeah. It's 3.
Okay. How many Tinkle Toons had glasses? 2.
Yeah, it's
What?
1.
Who said 1? Okay. We ready for the next?
Raise your hand like we did before. Raise your hand and tell me,
If you
okay?
raise your hand, only then we can. Okay.
So the person standing in the front with the cape was Uncle Pai. What was the color of his... Okay, you raised your hand first. Huh? No. Red. Red, and you have to be more specific. Red with, there were checks on it. Yellow.
Okay.
But it's fine, he answered.
In the background, there were some children, no? How many children were there? That girl. She said.
Who said?
Who's standing up?
How?
Okay.
You'll also take a note
What
of who
was
raises
the
their hand
color
first.
of the grass? Who said yellow? You said yellow? She said, but I don't know who said yellow. How will I give? Okay.
Who said yellow? You said. She also said. Okay, give both of them then.
Okay. We'll do the next one. 15 seconds. And your time starts now.
Yeah, it's a tricolor.
Okay.
Wait.
Yes. Green. Green, blue, orange. White. Who said white? Yes, white was also there. Very good. Okay. Okay, let's see. Can you name any one creature whom you spotted on the cover? That
Okay, it's a fish, but be more specific.
what?
Be more
fish?
specific.
Tuna. Miranda.
What?
Blue whale.
No, there was no ghost.
Shark. Oh, there
No.
was a horse as well. Yes,
There was a horse.
I think there was a.
There was a unicorn.
Unicorn, yeah.
Scorpion.
What were those two kids? What was the color of what they were wearing?
He is standing. Everyone
Okay.
is shouting. Wait, for the next question, raise your hand. I'll call one person. Okay? Please raise your hand.
hands up.
I'll call out a person who's not given a chance yet. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who is not? No, not you. You've got a chance, right? Yeah, you can tell me. Moon. You can give her a badge.
What was the color of both their outfits? You should raise your hand. Hey. Now I can't understand anything.
Yes.
What? Green and blue and white. Okay. Raise your hand, okay? Whose birthday was it?
She shouted, Ina. She said.
Who said?
She said. It was Ina.
Okay. Next one.
You tell me. Huh.
How
Tell me.
many?
How many? What is the question?
How
many
many?
creatures did you spot? He sat down, huh? Yeah, you tell me. How many creatures did you? No. No. No.
Okay, now we'll have
No. No.
Okay.
It's 13.
How many balloons?
Correct. Sit down.
Okay, you all are very smart, huh?
Very
Okay.
observant.
Now let's see. How many bowls or baskets of food were there? Oh,
No.
Linda.
3 is the right answer.
They also told the right answer.
Who? Yes.
Okay. 5. Was there 5? She's saying 5.
Acha. Who said?
Okay. How many plants were there on the cover? 2 is the right answer. 2 is the right answer. Everybody. Was it? How many humans were there? 6. She said 6. This girl. Second row. Okay. He said, no? That boy. First row. Okay. What was the color of the merry-go-round pole? What did he say? What is she saying? The second row girl. Who's done?
Purple. Yeah.
The third.
It was purple.
Okay. That's right, it's holy. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, smart. Yes, laddu. Good. Okay. Purple, green. Huh. Black, white, brown, everything. What? Green, yellow. Someone said that. She said, here also you can give. Raise your hand.
Everyone, please calm down. Sit down in your seats first.
Can you raise your hand and tell the answers? Huh? Want me to give you one clapping?
The good news is all of you will get a badge, so don't worry.
Okay. She said right. She said 5.
5.
That good.
Huh.
Third one standing. 6, no. There were 5, okay? So one boy was closing one eye. Like this. What was the coloring? Manya. It was golden, okay? Yellow gold. Okay.
All right, so that was it from us, from Tinkle and ACK. So the bookmarks that we'll give you now, and most of you have got it already, it has a QR code on it. If you scan the QR code, it'll take you to our website where you can access all our comics. You can read Tinkle. Some of our products that we have are